Saturday.
Boy born on Saturday,
Yep,
Kwame?
I was born on the Saturday.
I was born on a Saturday.
Were you?
Too, so what's the female version of that?
Shit, I have to Google that.
Wait a minute. Yours is Kwame?
Yep, for the
no,
boy.
it should be Kwamo, and I should be Kwame.
Like, like the... Okay, I'll go Kwamo. You can go Kwame.
Bagging what I'm making.
I got you. I'll take that. Auntie Lizzie.
Yeah, I like it.
Word, here it goes, guys.
Yeah, this one's going to be awesome.
It's going to be great. Yep, here we go. Who's ready? There's the ref.
Hold on.
And there's our boy.
Hold the position, bitch.
Oh, somebody wanted a halberd. Hey, Ace. He's using a halberd. Oh my God, here we go. Holy shit. Oh, was it evolved? Oh my God. Oh, really? Just take it all.
I don't really
Take it all. Oh, takedown. Gratuitous violence. Is that... Bro.
Hit him, Mikey, hit him.
Oh my God. The mountain reigns supreme.
That guy alive?
Are you guys all right?
They're good.
Are they dead?
They're good. Kill them all!
Craziness, yo. Absolutely.
Get on his balls again. He's hurting.
I love the commentary even. I don't even need to commentate. They do it themselves. That's Angel right there. Angel, are you okay? You okay, Angel?
Oh, man. He needs a buckle or something.
Angel, are you okay? Oh, he's fine. How about yourself? You guys were going hard. Holy crap. So this is
Ken.
Mortem Apora. How do you say your name as far as your team?
North Horde.
Oh, you're Northwood.
Yeah. I don't know who this came from.
Oh,
They
okay.
threw it on and said fight.
Okay, and you fought.
Exactly.
You gonna fight again?
Until they tell me to come out, right?
Yeah. Good stuff. 10 out of 10 would watch again. Straight up home run swing with the halberd. Is that guy holding a war axe? Yeah, he has a mace. What's your weapon of choice, my friend?
Short axe.
I like it.
It's good for grappling. It's got some insight. This is a very much grappling axe for me.
Okay, cool. Awesome. That was awesome. Yes. I know what it feels like, man. They threw me in a suit, or rather a set of armor.
Yeah.
They didn't tell me that I was going to be in armor, by the way.
Yeah.
I went to live stream it, and he's like, hey, put this on. And then I fought, and I died. Literally, but I got born again.
Yeah.
I'm a new man because
Yes.
of this. Because of Boo Hurt.
It's addicting once you start.
It's exhilarating is what it is.
Yeah.
It's something else, right? What's your name, by the way? I'm sorry. I didn't
Ken.
mean to, like... What is it?
Ken.
Ken. So meet Ken, guys.
Hey, everybody.
Root for him.
Loving it.
Yep. Root for Ken. Bam. And of course, Auntie Lizzie. Are you gonna suit up?
No, I'm going to leave and go babysit his twins.
Oh, really? How old are they?
They're going to be 8 in October.
Oh, really? Nice. Scorpios?
I think they are, or right before.
I don't know the. I'm not.
I
Good with-
don't know astrology. Astronomy, yes.
Astrology,
no.
not so much. I'm a Leo. That's all I know. That's all that matters.
There you go. So July or August.
August. It was my birthday 2 days ago, or Thursday rather. Yep.
Nice.
Yep. Oh my God! Here we go. Oh my. Oh. Holy shit. He just clocked him.
Mikey, get the guillotine. Mikey, get the guillotine.
Oh! One down.
Lexi, stay up. You got it, Lexi. You got it. Stay up. Stay up.
Yo! Oh my God.
Come on, Lexi!
Oh! Oh! The freaking giant. Bro, that was awesome.
Still got one going. Still got one going. No!
Wow.
Good round.
That's my first melee. I've never watched one before.
Oh, you have it?
No. That was crazy. It's crazy, yeah. Out of control.
I don't know where he
Oh, you got a new phone. What's up? I'm just kidding. Another round? Yeah, next round's on me.
Oh, it's him. It was the one on the ground.
Holy crap, guys. You thought I was kidding, right? Like, when I said that, they don't play, dude. They really go hard. And they train. Like, you have to understand, like, you have to be very, very in shape. Like, there's a very vigorous training that goes into it before. Like, we're not just suiting up and beating each other up. No. You have to work it. Post-game interview. Me and Auntie Lissy, we got this one.
Yeah, that would have been good.
Dude, that was crazy, yo. Damn.
Fun, huh?
So this is, well, we have representatives from different sides. North Horde are the ones that are out here. So that's how I got introduced to all of this, by the way. But everyone came from different places, yeah? Connecticut, New Hampshire, New York, Mass. It's the place that I live. Yep. That looked like it hurt. Yeah. It's no joke. And they all got different weapons and whatnot. So that's his weapon of choice. He says good for grappling. Hooking and cooking.
I'm good.
Woo! You sure? You guys are killing it right now. I've never seen someone full body tackle someone in a suit of armor, and I'm glad I was able to see that today. Well, there's more. Billy Mays, but wait, there's more. There's more, baby. All right, guys, I'm going to try to be stationary. So
Last round, right?
last round, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Oh my God! Woo! Ah!
That was good shit, bro.
Good shit, good shit. Well played. GG. Dude, the green dude is nuts. I know, he's a G.
Alexi.
Alexi, that's my G right there. He's the one that almost killed me.